Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am taking out my Flexi rods and I rolled them up, and this is mainly to achieve that Farrah Fawcett look. I said feather but that Farrah Fawcett feathered hair look that she's very notorious for, and that you guys have been recently seeing a lot on TikTok and other social media pages. And so Farrah Fawcett, she has a curtain bang, she has layers, and I currently have neither, so I did the best that I could, and I wanted to use no heat. I lightly blew out my hair over the weekend, and I just didn't want to add a curling iron back to my hair, which would probably been the best, giving me the best results. But I'm showing you guys what I did with the Flexi rods, which was a no heat method, and so stay tuned. So now that I've taken out my Flexi rods, I am going to manipulate the curls with my round brush to try to achieve that feathered look. And so I'm basically wrapping my hair around the round brush just to fluff it out, and I'm clipping it up until I've done the entire head. And so you can see I'm brushing through those curls and rolling up to try to achieve that look. So I'm just going to add a little bit of the Mizani Shine Spray just to give my hair some added shine before I remove these clips. And so here I am removing the clips, and I am going to do the infamous shake of the hair to try to achieve that feathered look. I was so serious when I was shaking my head. I don't have an explanation why I was looking like that while I was shaking my head, but clearly I was serious, trying to get the job done. to continue to manipulate my hair until I got it the way I want it to. It did turn out a lot more curly than actual feathered. Maybe if I wrap my hair, then it would turn out more feathery, but this is the look that I have right now. I do want to try again, and next time I want to use a curling iron to try to achieve this look and see if the results come out smoother and, you know, just different. This is just like curly hair to me, but it's still very pretty. Thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.